What's good, you guys? What's good? It's your boy Brian with Mendez Mobile Detailing. Thank you guys for watching this video right here, man. I really do appreciate y'all. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and go over the most efficient way to detail a engine bay with very minimal tools and products. So we're gonna go ahead and transform this engine bay. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all before shots, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the after shots. And I'm also gonna take you guys along with me step by step throughout the process. So sit back and relax, enjoy the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started with the video. Okay, so we have a combination of products here and tools that we're going to use to make this engine bay look brand new. Now we're going to use Purple Power here as our degreaser to degrease and loosen up all of this dirt and debris that's on the engine bay. Along with that, we have a brush here, and this brush we're going to use to agitate in between cracks and crevices, stuff like that. And we're going to go ahead and pressure wash it off with this pressure washing hose right there. If you want to, you can use a regular water hose. It'll probably do the same job, but this is just applying a little bit of pressure to, loosen it up a little faster and easier. Now this is a little bit more, I guess, quote unquote, dangerous because of the pressure that it does apply. So we don't want to apply it too close to anything that may become loose, you know what I'm saying? So you need to be careful with that. So along with that, as soon as we're done rinsing it off and stuff like that, we'll dry it up with our towel here. Once we dry it up with our towel, we'll go ahead and start applying our protectant and shine. So right here, you guys see it's 303 right here. You can buy this at O'Reilly's, auto parts stores, Amazon, Walmart. You should be able to find this anywhere, as well as this, and as well as these brushes and towels. You can find them anywhere. And then of course you always want to make sure you carry a power washer or a water hose. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm actually gonna go ahead and use my pump spray here to quickly spray this down. If you have a spray bottle, this would do the job as well. It's just gonna be a little bit more labor for you, but we're gonna just pump this up, use it, spray it, and then we'll go ahead and get started with the video. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, enjoy the process. Let's go. Are you too? So honestly, at this point, usually I'll come in with my tornador, blow everything out, and just dry it up a little faster. But like I said, I want to use this video to show you guys that you can do something like this with very minimal tools and products. So you guys saw me spray down my degreaser, which I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. You saw me brush it out, right? And now you're seeing me dry it up. So I have some towels here. I'm gonna just go around and simply just wipe and dry off all of the black trims that I can see that are gonna get shined up with our 303 protectant and spray. Now the reason why I have two is because one is gonna get more soap than the other, and I'm gonna just follow with this one to make sure that it's fully dry. Now the reason why I want this fully dry is because our 303 aerospace won't really stick and shine as well unless it's fully dry, because if we spray it on wet, we leave it, it's not going to look as shiny. So if we we dry it up first and then we apply our shine, it's going to be super nice. Watch, you guys, if you see, it's like starting to air dry a little bit there. So one of the strategies, like I mentioned, when you're using this 303 is simply just spraying it evenly once it starts spraying. So spray it evenly, right? And then you can just have the option of just letting that sit closer to get that stuff in there. I'll even spray up there, and we'll spray half here. So that seems to be about half the engine bay there. I might have used a little bit too much product than I would like, but I'm just trying to demonstrate for you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and spray our towel now and try the method number 2. Spray our towel, and then we're just simply gonna wipe. This is the basic and generic way of, just taking your time, doing it by hand, taking your time, enjoying the detail process, and making it shine, and it'll give you the finished look as this one does dry up over there. So let's dry this up, spray. And like I mentioned, sometimes your hands can't reach certain areas, so you're gonna have to just spray your shine in there and let it sit. We're not doing the interior for this car, we're just doing the engine bay. So if it were, a real detail, I would definitely spray the 303, let it sit as I do the interior or do the wheels or whatever else it is that I need to do. I'll go ahead and let that sit, and by the time I come back to it, it's looking super shiny, super glossy, and it's ready to go. So